Creating handmade wooden pet houses presents a unique opportunity to blend craftsmanship with a love for animals, resulting in functional and aesthetically pleasing structures that can serve pets well while also providing potential profit avenues for artisans. The idea of building pet houses, whether for dogs, cats, or small animals, taps into the growing trend of pet ownership, where owners seek high-quality, personalized solutions for their furry companions. These wooden pet houses can range from simple, cozy shelters to elaborate designs featuring multiple rooms, play areas, and ventilation systems, catering to various pet needs and owner preferences. For personal use, crafting a wooden pet house allows pet owners to create a safe and comfortable environment tailored specifically for their pets. By choosing materials that are safe and durable, such as untreated wood or non-toxic finishes, crafters can ensure that their creations are not only stylish, but also healthy for their pets. Building a pet house can be an enjoyable project that encourages creativity, as artisans can customize the design to reflect their home's aesthetic while considering their pet's comfort. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you different kind of handmade wooden pet house crafts project ideas for profit or for personal use. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The design process begins with understanding the specific requirements of the pet. For instance, a dog house might need ample space for movement, insulation for warmth in winter, and cooling features for summer, while a cat house may focus more on vertical space for climbing and cozy nooks for hiding. This awareness allows crafters to integrate functional elements into their designs, such as raised floors for better drainage and ventilation, sloped roofs to prevent water accumulation, and easy-to-clean surfaces that make maintenance a breeze. Additionally, incorporating features like built-in feeding stations or storage compartments for pet supplies can add practicality to the design. As artisans work on their projects, they can draw inspiration from various architectural styles, adapting elements to create visually appealing pet houses that harmonize with their surroundings. Traditional designs might evoke a quaint cottage feel, while modern interpretations could feature sleek lines and minimalist aesthetics, appealing to contemporary pet owners. Moreover, the opportunity to personalize wooden pet houses is a significant draw for many crafters. By adding custom elements such as the pet's name, decorative cutouts, or themed paint colors, artisans can make each house a unique piece that resonates with the pet owner's personality and preferences. This customization not only enhances the appeal of the pet house, but also creates a deeper emotional connection for the owner, who may view it as an extension of their home. For those looking to profit from their crafting endeavors, the market for handmade pet houses is burgeoning. Many pet owners are willing to invest in high-quality, handcrafted items that reflect their commitment to providing a comfortable living space for their pets. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Engaging in this market requires artisans to develop a keen understanding of consumer preferences, which often lean towards sustainability, style, and functionality. By utilizing reclaimed wood or sustainable materials, crafters can attract environmentally conscious consumers who value responsible sourcing and production methods. In addition to selling finished pet houses, artisans can explore various avenues to diversify their offerings. For example, providing kits that allow customers to assemble their pet houses at home can be an appealing option, especially for those who enjoy DIY projects. These kits can include all necessary materials, along with detailed instructions and design templates, making it easy for customers to create their own personalized pet houses. This approach not only widens the customer base, but also fosters a sense of community as customers share their completed projects on social media or in local crafting groups. Furthermore, hosting workshops or classes focused on building pet houses can offer additional income opportunities while allowing artisans to share their skills and passion with others. These events can create a fun and interactive environment where participants learn the basics of woodworking, share ideas, and leave with their own handcrafted pet house. When considering the financial aspect of crafting wooden pet houses, it is essential to appropriately price products based on materials, labor, and market demand. Researching competitors and understanding the target market can help artisans set competitive prices while ensuring their work is valued. Additionally, marketing strategies play a crucial role in the success of selling handmade pet houses. Establishing a strong online presence through social media platforms and dedicated websites allows artisans to showcase their creations, share customer testimonials, and engage with a broader audience. High-quality photographs that highlight the craftsmanship and unique features of each pet house can significantly enhance marketing efforts, drawing in potential buyers and creating interest in the brand. As artisans embark on their crafting journey, it is vital to prioritize safety in both the construction process and the final product. This includes using non-toxic finishes and ensuring that all materials are safe for pets. Understanding the specific needs of different types of pets can guide the design process, ensuring that the final product is both functional and comfortable. For example, creating a multi-level cat house with perches and hiding spots can provide enrichment and entertainment for feline friends, while a spacious dog house with proper insulation can offer a cozy retreat for dogs of all sizes. Incorporating elements like windows or ventilation holes can enhance the comfort level of the pet house, allowing pets to enjoy fresh air and sunlight while remaining protected from the elements. Additionally, considering the ease of access for pets is crucial. Ensuring that entrances are appropriately sized and positioned can make a significant difference in a pet's willingness to use the house. As the crafting process unfolds, artisans often find joy in the journey of creation, taking pride in the skills they develop and the unique pieces they produce. Each handmade wooden pet house becomes a labor of love, reflecting the dedication and creativity of its maker. This emotional investment in the crafting process can resonate with customers who may be more inclined to support artisans who share their passion for providing high-quality, lovingly crafted items for their pets. Furthermore, as pet ownership continues to rise, the demand for innovative and stylish pet products is likely to grow. Artisans who stay attuned to emerging trends and consumer preferences can position themselves to capitalize on this expanding market. Collaborating with local pet shops, veterinarians, or pet influencers can also enhance visibility and credibility, creating opportunities for cross-promotion and community engagement. In summary, creating handmade wooden pet houses offers a fulfilling and potentially profitable avenue for crafters passionate about woodworking and animal care. From designing comfortable and stylish structures to exploring various marketing strategies and customization options, the possibilities are vast. By prioritizing quality, safety, and consumer engagement, artisans can carve out a niche in the pet product market. ultimately creating unique homes for beloved pets while fostering a rewarding creative practice. Whether for personal use or as a commercial endeavor, the journey of crafting wooden pet houses is one that can bring joy, a sense of accomplishment, and the satisfaction of contributing to the well-being of pets and their owners alike. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked handmade wooden pet housecrafts project ideas for profit or for personal use. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.